So, I mean, the mid-market is one of the growth initiatives. Another growth initiative is the employee benefits business, which is health. So we are continuing that journey. But let's go back to mid-market. Essentially, mid-market is important for us because we have XL, which is very much looking at the larger accounts. And then you have the general insurance entities, in particular in Europe, that have a very good distribution footprint, that have a very good implantation into the countries. But when you look at mid-market, so companies of 1,000 employees and plus, we are not serving them as much as we serve the large accounts and the smaller companies. And so we said, with the combination of good underwriting expertise through XL and the implantation in the countries, we can do more on this. And this is what we have started 2 years ago with a lot of success so far.
So looking at health insurance, we see there's a record numbers of people signing up for private health insurance, in particular waiting lists that we see in the public system here in the UK with the NHS. So that can provide an opportunity, I assume, for a company like yours. At the same time, there's also the issue of medical costs spiraling. And that's also, of course, an extra challenge, capacity challenge as well on your side. So how do you use this opportunity, but at the same time keep it balanced, keep on corporate clients as well, for example, keep those contracts going with all that demand growing?
So you have essentially two big opportunities. One is through corporates, because certainly post-COVID, companies are very interested in the well-being of their employees. So there's a lot of demand there. And since we are very well positioned as the largest insurer serving corporates around the world, that's a good opportunity. Secondly, you're absolutely right. The difficulties in many state systems, you mentioned the NHS, I think that's where it's most prominent, drives people into the private sector. And so we see these demand patterns. It's absolutely right that medical inflation is high, but and we need to obviously take this into account. We have to, because insurance is a trust business, because I'm promising to you that I will pay your claim when it's your turn. If the financial balance is not justified, I cannot keep my promise. So we need to make sure that the price increase reflects the medical inflation. Nevertheless, when you look today, prevention is a way of helping to keep costs down. So instead of waiting till you have the illness and waiting till the operation is due or the chronic disease has arrived, let's work together on avoiding it. And I think you'll see that in general, not only in health, but also in corporate insurance, our business is moving much more into prevention, helping individuals, helping companies to avoid the